everyone, and welcome back to my studio. I just finished a little pour, well, a rather larger pour. I have a lot of leftover paint, and I thought I'd just have some more fun because, you know, I'm enjoying myself, and I'm watching the other one to see if it's going to work or fail. So while I'm waiting for that one to let me know how it's going to go, I figured I would play some more. So, and I'm sort of mixed reviews on that other one, so I may go back to that one. All right, so I have all these leftover paints. I'm just going to go through the colors real quick. I added some more colors from what I was doing before. So this is Amsterdam Quinacridone Rose. I have Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet Light, Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet, which is the darker tone. I have some Artist Loft Flow White, which is mixed with a little Amsterdam Titanium White. I have some Folk Art Treasure Gold in Antique Copper. A little US Art Supply in, what is this? This is Ivy Green Blue Iridescent. These are leftovers. And this is Artist Loft Deep Green. I think that's all I have. I have a tiny weeny bit of some 24 karat gold I might throw in. I have a tiny bit of Art Minds Sea Glass. I don't think there's even enough to put in. I have the scrapings, table scrapings from the previous pour I'm going to use as my base, so I'm not wasting. And we're going to do a marble pour because I just feel like having something fun. So we're going to start by flooding this canvas and we're going to get going. We are ready to start making some puddles here. All right, I think we got everybody on there. Let me get my marble. You want to make sure you're using a larger size marble. I know the little ones are cute, but you'll be disappointed. Your little marble will get bogged down in your paint, won't move. Do I think that's enough paint? Well, I can always add some more. Ooh, I never put this one on at all. Okay, well, we're gonna drizzle a little of this on. Totally missed this color. Alright, we'll get some of this one on here. Don't you hate that? You get all done and you realize you didn't even put all your colors on? Not that it matters, but okay. Shoot her away. Now we're just gonna have some fun. Ooh, it's pulling too much. Just over there. Just a little bit more. Okay. That looks good. Let me go rinse that guy off. I just like to rinse my marble right away. I don't want the paint to get crusted on him and you got no marble. All right, we are ready for some tilting. Let's tilt this out and see what we get. paint is thick. Let's see how this goes. Just gonna start sort of circular here and see where the weight of the paint is. Plain over here. It's very, very lined and intricate over there, and over here it's just like big blobs of color. I'm not sure I'm happy about that, but maybe we'll turn it around, tilt a little more. Said you're not done until you're happy. So I want to push a little more paint down that way and see if I can smush down a bit of that side where it's all sort of big blobs of color, and put some of this more lined stuff in that direction. I don't get too thin. I got a little something in the middle here. Hold on. What is that? Okay. Get rid of that. Stick my finger in there. Okay, that's better. Oh yeah. See, I like that composition better. All right, I can go with that. Nice way to use up some leftovers. Get her something pretty. All right, I'm going to check these corners. I'm going to torch it, and then I will be back to show you what it looks like. Hang in there. Okay, I have cleaned up my edges and torched it. I did. There was a big area here. Let me see if I can show you. This area here was all the base color. And so I put a circle right there, and I dropped my marble and I rolled it off the canvas. And that got me something I like a lot better. Don't be afraid to add a little. Fudge with it. Play with it. Run a stick through it. I still have some spots on here I feel like playing with. But I am very happy with the composition as a whole. May not look exactly like this when it's dry if I decide to get to playing again. But thank you so much for joining me. That was a quickie little one with my leftovers. Hope you had some fun. I'll see you later. Bye.